Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to edit mesh in Blender. First, open Blender and select your desired object. Press the Tab key to switch from Object Mode to Edit Mode, which is where all mesh modifications occur. You will see your object's geometry highlighted, ready for manipulation. This foundational step is crucial for any detailed modeling work you plan to undertake. Once in Edit mode, you can choose between three selection types: vertex, edge, or face. These options are located at the top of the 3D viewport. Selecting vertices allows for fine-tuning individual points, while edges let you adjust lines connecting two vertices. Faces, composed of 3 or more edges, enable you to move or scale entire surfaces, offering versatile control over your model's shape. Blender offers powerful tools for mesh editing. The Extrude tool, activated by pressing E, pulls out new geometry from selected faces or edges, adding depth. Inset Faces, accessed with I, creates a smaller face inside the selected one, perfect for borders. Loop Cut, using Ctrl-R, adds new edge loops across your mesh, providing more vertices and edges for detailed sculpting and shaping. To refine your mesh, consider merging vertices by selecting them and pressing M, which helps clean up topology. Subdividing faces, found in the right-click menu, adds more geometry, allowing for smoother curves and more intricate details. For non-destructive smoothing, apply a Subdivision Surface modifier from the Modifiers tab, which visually smooths the mesh without altering its base geometry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.